The angle of attack is the angle at which the relative wind meets the profile of your wing. Altering your angle of attack will affect your sink rate and airspeed. A greater angle generates more lift, while a smaller angle increases speed and sink rate. By opening your trimmers, particularly the C rises and to a less extent also the B rises, get longer, reducing your angle of attack. A lower angle of attack increases speed and steepness, but also raises the risk of collapse, especially in turbulent air. On the opposite, increasing your angle of attack to generate more lift involves closing the trimmers and applying brake. Pulling on the brakes folds down the trailing edge, increasing the angle of attack and thereby creating more lift. With trimmers opened, another method to generate lift is through back riser steering, using the C risers or, depending on the wing, a combination of B and C risers. Since opening the trimmers lengthens the B and the C risers, pulling them back in its initial state will simulate closing the trimmers and therefore reduce sink rate.